Hello friends, welcome to Vanitashree's kitchen. Today let's see how to make a spicy crab masala. I have used 2 snow crabs for this recipe. You can use any kind of crab. First we are going to make a ground paste. For this, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 red chillies and handful of curry leaves. Let this splutter. Then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fry them for a minute. Then add 1 cup of chopped onions and saute for a minute. Now add 2 to 3 small pieces of ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and fry this mixture for a minute in a medium flame. Keep an eye so that it doesn't get burned. Now add gooseberry sized tamarind, 2 medium sized tomatoes, and saute this mixture for 1 minute in a medium flame, and cover the pan with a lid and let this cook for 5 minutes in a low flame. Once it is done, add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and fry it for 2 minutes till the coconut is slightly brown. Roasting the spices, tomatoes, coconut in the oil, it gives a brighter aroma, intense color and roasted flavors to the dish. Once the mixture is cooled down completely, grind this into a smooth paste in a blender. To make the curry, heat 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil in a pan. Add 1 cup of chopped onions, sprig of curry leaves, some salt, and saute this for 1 minute till the onions becomes soft and brown. Now it's perfect time to add our ground paste and saute this paste well for 2 minutes. Stir continuously so that it doesn't get burnt. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and then cover with the lid and let this cook for about 5 minutes in a medium flame. Now add our cleaned crab into the gravy. Give this a good mix for about 1 minute so that the entire masala goes inside the crab well. Now add 1 cup of water and cover this with a lid and let this boil for about 10 minutes in a medium flame till the crabs are cooked well. If you want a gravy consistency, then you can switch off the flame at this stage. But if you want it to be little bit thickened and dry masala, you can boil this for about 5 minutes in a low flame further. Now our beautiful crab curry is done. Garnish this with coriander leaves. If you want the gravy to be still spicy, you can add some more pepper powder at the final stage. Also, I have another version of crab masala you can check out in my channel, Vanitashree's Kitchen. That's it. Our super spicy, irresistible crab curry is ready to serve. Please try this wonderful recipe. Subscribe to Vanitashree's Kitchen for more interesting recipes. If you like this video, please share this with your friends. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.